Bitcoin ETF see $936 million inflows as safe haven demand grows. Bitcoin ETFs. Spot Bitcoin ETF. Bitcoin ETFs are experiencing record inflows as institutional investors increasingly turn to crypto amid global uncertainty and weakening traditional markets. Last updated, April 23, 2025. Journalist, Hassan Shittu. Journalist, Hassan Shittu. About author, Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied. Last updated, April 23, 2025 at 15:41 GMT+3. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. In a powerful comeback in institutional interest, U.S. spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, have recorded their largest single-day net inflows since mid-January. According to the data from SoSoValue, on Tuesday, April 22, total inflows reached $936 million. The surge in ETF activity not only follows a weekend of relative stability in the broader crypto market but also comes amid weakening confidence in traditional assets, persistent inflation concerns, and geopolitical strain. All 10 of the Bitcoin ETFs registered positive flows, led by ARK Invest and 21 shares ARKB, which attracted $267.1 million in inflows. Fidelity's FBTC followed closely with $253.8 million, while BlackRock's IBIT secured $193.5 million. These gains contributed to a cumulative 3-day net inflow of over $1.4 billion. Pushing total assets under management across spot Bitcoin ETFs above $103 billion. Bitcoin, buoyed by these inflows, jumped 5.64% in the past 24 hours to trade at $93,575 as of press time. Rachel Lucas, a crypto analyst at Markets, attributed the trend to a structural rotation of institutional capital back into crypto, driven by macroeconomic dislocations, favorable supply dynamics, and Bitcoin's growing acceptance as a strategic asset class. Presto Research's Min Young echoed a similar sentiment in the report, noting that Bitcoin is increasingly being perceived as digital gold. It may still be premature to call Bitcoin a full-fledged, safe haven, but its muted drawdown during recent global risk events is shifting perception, Young said. Adding to the bullish tone was the weakening U.S. dollar, speculation of renewed quantitative easing from the Federal Reserve, and ongoing inflation. From Easter weekend to a midweek explosion. The massive $936 million in inflows was not an isolated event, but rather the culmination of renewed momentum that began over the Easter weekend. On April 21st, U.S.-based Bitcoin ETFs already saw a combined net inflow of $381.3 million, their strongest daily performance since January 30th. The ARK 21 shares Bitcoin ETF, ARKB, alone received $116.1 million, with Fidelity's FBTC adding another $87.6 million. BlackRock's IBIT saw $41.6 million in net inflows, down from its previous pace, but still contributing to the larger rally. The crypto market's resilience was especially notable given that U.S. equity markets closed in the red following the holiday break. The S&P 500 fell by 2.4%, while both the Nasdaq and Dow Jones dropped by 2.5%. Yet Bitcoin and the broader crypto market not only held their ground but also advanced. Over the 3-day Easter break, total crypto market capitalization rose by $800 billion to settle at $2.84 trillion. Bitcoin accounted for a substantial portion of that, climbing above $90,000 and reclaiming a market cap of $1.75 trillion, a 4-week high. Technical analysts highlighted this breakout as a signal of renewed price strength, particularly as BTC surpassed its prior resistance at $88,500. Yet, While institutional capital is flowing in, retail participation remains subdued. Retail by volumes, transactions between $0 and $10,000, remain below 0%, indicating that the average investor has yet to return fully. The road ahead, can the momentum hold? While the current rally is largely driven by leverage and institutional buying, questions remain about its sustainability. CryptoQuant community manager Martin cautioned that much of the buying is leverage-driven rather than spot volume-driven. Glassnode data further backs this, noting that futures open interest increased by $2.4 billion in just 36 hours. To maintain price levels above $90,000, analysts argue that retail investor participation will need to pick up to support longer-term momentum. The current disparity between institutional leverage and retail spot buying creates a fragile dynamic that could unravel without broader support. Meanwhile, geopolitical and macroeconomic narratives continue to shape market sentiment. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said on Tuesday that he expects a de-escalation in President Donald Trump's ongoing trade war with China. The same day, Trump reassured markets by stating he had no intention of removing Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. These developments helped calm investors and set the stage for further inflows into Bitcoin ETFs. Looking ahead, the current surge in ETF inflows shows a significant shift in how institutional investors view Bitcoin. Whether this momentum can be sustained will depend on a convergence of technical strength, retail participation, and continued macroeconomic tailwinds. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Could Vitalik's new code idea send Ethereum soaring? What traders should know is Bitcoin breaking free from Wall Street. Here's what the latest price action signals. WCT soars 100% after airdrop dump. Price gap widens ahead of Korean exchange listings. Price analysis. Bitcoin traders suddenly turn bullish on Binance. What are they seeing that you're not? 6 days ago, by Arslan Butt. Defy News. Radium fires back with LaunchLab as $2.5 billion DX war with Pump.Fun explodes on Solana. 6 days ago, by Hassan Shittu. Sponsored. Exploring different ways to trade cryptocurrency. Best crypto to buy now in April 2025. Top crypto to invest in. April 15, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. New cryptocurrency to invest in April 2025. 5 days ago. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Upcoming token sales. March 3, 2025. By Medb Keely-Cuddy. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in April 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. April 13, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 14 next cryptocurrencies to explode in 2025. September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.